This year, you will be recording your child's reading digitally on the reading log found in Schoology. To set this up, you're going to need to download two apps on your mobile device, the Schoology app and the Google Sheets app. If you do not have a Google account, sign up for a free one and then log in. You'll begin by tapping on the Schoology app. And in courses, you're going to find Mrs. McNamara's course. Tap on her course, and you'll notice under the Materials section, there are two folders, the Learner folder and the Family folder. In the Family folder, you will find your child's reading log. You will only see the reading log of your child. Once you see the reading log of your child, you tap on that link, that page, and you will get a note to open up your child's reading log by clicking the link. You're going to tap the link and then tap the arrow with the box in the right-hand corner and choose to open it in your web browser. This will automatically open up the app and bring up your child's reading log. You can simply tap in the cells and begin to type. And then that's it. You've recorded your child's reading.